How often do you feel joy? A pure, true feeling of delight, bliss, and happiness. What's the big problem? The big problem is that as we become adults, we are given more and more rules to follow. We start climbing the career ladder, we complete our graduation, our post-graduation, we start raising families, we start working towards a financial freedom, towards a time freedom, and along the way, we have really forgotten how to find joy, peace, happiness, and fulfillment. We have really forgotten how to present in our own lives. And in today's video, I'm going to share you with 9 steps on how to be fully present and how to feel joy, happiness, and fulfillment in life. Hi, my name is Amol Karale. I'm a morning ritual miracle and law of attraction coach, and I've trained more than 20,000 plus people to help them to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. Now, I really want you should make a lot of notes, because believe me, this 9 steps has really helped me to live a life of joy, happiness, peace, and fulfillment. Till 2018, I was never living a great life. I was always stressed. I was always going in corporate, but there was no fulfillment. There was no peace. I was making good money, but at the end of the day, there was no satisfaction. There was no fulfillment. So the moment I decided to change my life in 2018, and I came to know about few concepts, about a few steps, or you can say, which I learned from a mentor, which helped me to do something by my own, to start working on my passion, which has really given me that happiness, peace, and fulfillment. So let's begin. The first pointer. First is very, very important, guys. Please let go of the past. See, many people make mistake. They're always worried either about the future, or they are living their life in guilt, shame mode. And I went through same challenges. So because I failed in 12th, I failed in graduation, I didn't got succeed in my corporate life, in my business, and I was carrying my past since a long time. But if you really want to change your life, and if you really want to become the best version of yourself, you need to let go of the past. Please remember, the past does not equal the future. Miraculous changes can start happening in your life the moment you decide. So the first is let go of the past. Second, please start practicing gratitude. I was not knowing about this concept till 2018, but the moment I started doing some research on rituals, on habits, I came to know about this concept, gratitude. You should be grateful. You should be thankful for all the beautiful things, all the great things that God and universe has gifted you at this point of time. So just imagine, start writing all the things. Just visualize and close your eyes and think how far you have come in this life. What are the things that you're grateful for? God has given you a beautiful home, God has given you a beautiful family, you got a good job, you have salary. There are so many things that God and universe has gifted you. Start writing all the beautiful things that you're grateful for. So every morning, as soon as you wake up in the morning, the first thing you should start doing is practice gratitude, because gratitude can heal you. Gratitude can help you to overcome your struggle, challenges, pain that you're going through in your life. So that's the second one, practice gratitude. Third, use the law of attraction. Yes, law of attraction works. Please understand, the simple definition of law of attraction is the more positivity you feel, the more you'll start attracting positivity in your life, because where the focus goes, the energy flows, and that's the law of attraction. Now, if you divide this word attraction, it comes attract plus action. So you need to start attracting success, plus you take actions. You need to start with small baby steps, then only the law of attraction work. See, this law of attraction principle has been around thousands of years, and I don't know if you have read this book, The Secret. If you have not read this book, I would recommend you read the book Secret. It talks about how this law of attraction has worked in people's life to achieve their goals and dreams. And it's simple, as I said you, where focus goes, start attracting. Focus on creating on your own life, sharing with others. The moment you start caring, the moment you start helping other people to achieve their dreams and goals, you will start attracting more joy, happiness, and fulfillment. So that's the third one. Fourth, surround yourself with positive people. You need to have like-minded people. See, the best part which I've done in my life, when I started my journey, I was associated with like-minded people. I was associated with people who always inspired me, who were always driven, and I would always interact with them. Till 2018, I didn't get great friends. I had friends who were always negative, would always gossip, who would always, not give their best. But the moment I changed my friend circle, I really started getting success in life. So do surround yourself with positive people. Fifth, change your physiology. You need to change your physiology. You need to change your posture by standing up tall, like throwing your shoulders back, or even adopting a power pose. See, the moment you have that confident physiology, the moment you have that great body language, you will change a shift in your entire behavior. So it's very important to work on physiology. Sixth, create positive daily rituals. You need to have some daily rituals in your life, and the best part, which I always suggest people, start some morning rituals, start practicing some morning rituals. And I'm so passionate to take morning rituals to each and every home, because I know the moment you do some positive daily rituals, now it can start with prayer, gratitude, affirmation, writing a goal, listening to stranger's secret, installing a powerful belief in subconscious mind, incantation. It can be going for exercise, reading some book. Do something which helps you, which gives you that energy early morning. So you need to create some positive daily rituals every day, and you should follow. Just don't follow morning rituals, but you can also do some night rituals before going to bed. Do some meditation, do some anchoring exercise, do something which will give you the energy to wake up early morning the next day, and you can start your day with emotions, with high feelings, with certainty, and having an unstoppable mindset. That's the number sixth. Number seventh, be fully present. Please be mindful. Very simple thing. If you're focusing, if you're doing some task, just be present, be mindful. If you're eating food, just focus on eating food. I have seen many people, when they eat food, they get distracted, they take calls, they are on social media. No, you need to be fully present. If you're doing your rituals, be fully present. If you're reading some book, be fully present. Be mindful on whatever you do, be mindful. Okay. Number 8, find your purpose. Guys, this is one of the most beautiful things that can happen in your life. You need to find your purpose, and I will definitely recommend you to read this book, Ikigai. In Ikigai, it's clearly shown how to find your purpose, how to find your why. My purpose was not clear till 2018, but the moment I find my purpose, my life completely got changed. See, because whenever you have set yourself for success through gratitude, empowering rituals, and mindfulness, you are ready to find your purpose. The moment you start doing gratitude every day, the moment you start practicing meditation, the moment you start doing daily rituals, within a couple of months or 2 or 3 months, you will come to know about your purpose, about your why, because you are in a very different state of mind. And the best part which I have done in my life was going to Vipassana. The moment I went to Vipassana, the moment I started practicing meditation, it really helped me to came to know about my purpose. Now, I'm not telling you will be finding your purpose in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. It takes some time. It's a process. Transformation is a journey. Enjoy that process. And please understand, guys, your purpose goes beyond your career. It's just not your work. It's not your short-term goals. What gives your life meaning? Now, because I have a meaning in life, it's something which I'm doing. I love to do morning rituals, and I love to helping people to work on their mindset, habit, belief, fear, and attitude. That's my purpose of that. That's my passion. And I want to create my own legacy. You wanted to create your own legacy. You need to ask the question to yourself: what makes you feel joy? What makes you fulfillment? What do you want to be remembered for? Suppose if you die, what people you want to know you for? Because I'm very sure when I die, people should tell me after I leave this world that Amol was the person who helped me to wake up at 5 o'clock, and Amol is the person who taught me how to do morning rituals. Amol is that person who helped me to become the best version of myself in all the 5 areas of life. So that's something you should have, because the bigger the reason you have, the bigger the purpose you have, the more success and fulfillment you'll have. Number 9, give back. You need to give back. It's just not about making money, but you should also give back to the society. I made this big mistake in all my 3 business, where I was just focused on making money. But the moment I started giving back, the moment I started doing some charity, life got changed. Please understand, the secret to living is giving. Be a giver. Making a difference in the lives of other brings meaning to our own lives. And trust me, it reminds us of all what we have. The moment you give to other people, you will have more joy, more happiness, and more success, more fulfillment. The moment I started giving back to the world, when I started doing charity, when I started contributing, it really gave me that fulfillment. So these are the 9. If you follow these 9 steps, I'm sure you will be able to have more joy, fulfillment, and peace. So let me recap so that you can just see that you have not missed any of the point. First, let go of the past. Second, practice gratitude. Third, use the law of attraction. Fourth, surround yourself with positive people. Fifth, change your physiology. Sixth, create positive daily rituals. Seventh, be fully present. Eighth, find your purpose. And the final is give back. The moment you start following these 9 steps, you will start seeing some joy, happiness, peace, and fulfillment. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel, because I'm on a mission to transform billions of lives by helping them to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 key areas of life. See you in my next video.